Welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a post to your Instagram story. First, open Instagram and go to your account. Next, find a post you want to share. You can do this from your own profile or from someone else's feed. Once you've found a post, look for the paper airplane icon. Tap on it. This will open a new menu where you can choose where to send the post. In the menu that appears, you see options like sending it to contacts or sharing it to your story. Tap Add Post to your story, and you will be taken to the story screen where you can edit the post. Choose the look you prefer by tapping on a post. When you're happy with it, you have two options: send it to specific contacts by clicking on Message at the bottom, or post it to your story by clicking your story in the bottom left corner. After posting, go to your profile and click on your profile picture to view your story. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.